Hey guys, this is Ashok Kumar, your psychologist from Crack SSB Masterclass. So today's question, what is the fish market and why does it happen in PP and DT? Fish market is a condition under which many people speak together. Because of that, no point is being conveyed clearly to the assessors. If you have been to a market, you know what exactly happens where number of people are talking simultaneously and it is like creating a havoc kind of a situation. But why does it happen in PP and DT? It basically happens due to two reasons. The main reason is that everyone wants to perform best in the GD. There is a misconception that the more you speak in the GD, you will be seen as an effective candidate. So it is that reason that everyone wants to outperform the other. You must understand that the purpose of GD is to bring out your effective points, not that how much you speak in the GD. The second reason why fish market is more in the PP and DT is that due to familiarity factor. The more you have been in the testing condition, that makes you more confident and you are more used to the process. That is why the fish market happens more in the repeaters batch compared to the freshers batch. The freshers, even if they are practiced well, they have taken adequate coaching, still for them the first situation they practice, the first PP and DT they practice in real time is always a big task. But the moment you have been screened out, the moment you have been conferenced out in the first time, then from next time onwards that confidence automatically develops in the candidate, which makes you more positive in terms of approaching the group. So should we do something to stop the fish market? So this is a difficult question to answer. Actually speaking, no one can make an effort to stop the fish market in the GD. It is a process which is a part of PP and DT which cannot be stopped. I hope you understood some basics of this particular question of today. If you have liked this video, please share it with the others. Thank you.